Hello friends, welcome to Magento tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about pricing, how we can set the price for the product and in Magento. For that, you have to go to this product. Now I'm selecting this simple product, copy this queue, go to admin, sign in, click on catalog, click products, edit this one. You see here, this is the product. The base price is $100. Basically, this is the base price or unit price. So here I have said $100. Okay, 100. So this is the base price. So what is the price? Price is the rate that you set for the product. This is the base price. Whatever the price I have entered, you will see this price here. Okay, now I will change this 100 to 110. Save this product. Go to front end, refresh this page. You see here, whatever the price I have added as $110, so the same you're seeing here. Okay, now we will add some special price. So there are different types of prices available in Magento. One of them is special price. So what is the special price? Special price is the price that will add top of this one. If you want to give the discount on this base price, you can set the special price. So we have different options under the special price, like you can set this from date to date. I want to apply the special price from this date to this date. After the date is expired, then you will see the normal price as usual. Okay, now let's set that special price. What is the base price? $110. Top of that, I will give this some discount. So I'll give 90. So what will happen? You will see this price along with this special price also. Okay, so I will add this section later. Now just fill this one and let's check in the front end. Save this product. Front end, refresh the page. You will see both prices. See, what is the regular price or base price? It's $110. That $110 you see here. But whatever the price that is highlighted. So if you add this product to cart, what price will be added to the cart? It's $90. Okay. This way you can show to the customer that special price along with the regular or base price. Okay, I'll just add this product to the cart. How much the price is added to the cart? It's $90. You see here. So it is not added the regular price, it's just added the special price. Okay, this way you can show to the customer and the customer can add this product to the cart. So he can utilize this special price. Okay, this is all about the special price. Now go to the advanced pricing again. This from 8th to 9th. Okay, now you will not see the special price because I have added day before yesterday and yesterday only. So you see there is no special price applied. So the special price got expired here. Okay, now again what you will see, the original base price. Okay, like this you can set the special price to any particular dates. Okay, now the next one is the customer group price. This section is helpful when you have different types of customers available and you want to set different prices for different customer groups. Okay, I will discuss this customer groups when we discussed about the customer management section. Okay, just put it to all groups. Okay, so that it will apply to anyone who visit the site. Okay, just put it to quantity to put this price fix 80. Okay, so if you are adding the customer group price, that means you have to disable this special price. Okay, so this will take the priority. If you add any other group price, it will skip this one and apply only the special price. So that's why I will remove this one. For this product, I just want to go with customer group price. Okay, now I'm just setting that price 80. Original price is 110. I'm just setting that to $80 so that based on the customer group, I'm giving the discount. Like if the customer is not logged in to the site, then I will give the original price. If customer is signed up and logged into the site, I will provide some discount on it. Okay. Right now, I'm just not using anything. I'm just using this all groups. Okay. Save this product. We will check how the customer group price will work. Okay. Click on advanced pricing. How much I said? The quantity is 2. Price is 80. So if the customer add this product with quantity 2, he will get this product with $80 for each unit. Okay, I will show you. So you see here, buy 2 for $80 each and save 27%. So this much percent you will save on this original price. Okay, so this way if you want to put any prices based on any customer group, you can use this one. If you don't want to directly put this price, you can put some percentage also with the discount. How much discount you will apply? Some 20%. David. Now this time I am giving the discount with percentage. You see here, I am giving 20% discount. So how much he will get if he buy 2 for $88 each? Okay, like this you can add the discount also. Now what is this minimum advertised price? I will give some 120, but the original price is 110. Save this product. See here, the price is with strike symbol. Okay, this is the map. That means minimum advertised price that will be striked over. Okay, if you want to see the original price, you have to click this link. If you click this click for price, you will see the actual price of the product. If you want to show that in a link or in a pop-up kind of thing, you can put this map in the advanced pricing. So you can put this minimum advertised price so that customer can click this link and see the actual price. You can put some description also. The customer can add the product from here. Okay, close this one. Okay, you see here, display actual price. So we have different options. Use config is the default one. Change this one to in cart, then save. You will not see this actual price. See here. So the price is hiding, right? So you can't see the price. So how you can see the price? Just click on this add to cart. That is the way the customer can see the price. He can't see directly when he land on this page. Okay. If you set this to in cart, this one. Okay. So go to this shopping cart. See, the price is 110. It is added. So right now we don't have this product. See here, $110. This is the original base price. Okay. This way you can use this display actual cart. So based on these functionalities, you can set the special price. You can set the price based on this customer group. You can add this minimum advertised price so that customer cannot see this price and just add this product to the cart, and then only he can see the product. So will be shown. So based on this display actual price, customers see the price in cart or either in checkout or just in the product page. Okay, you can try with different options and check in the front end. If you have any queries, just add in the comment section. I will reply in that. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.